Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Kristen Live Acres. In today's video, I am going to give you a garden update, and then I want to show you some of the plants that I purchased from Florida Hill Nursery that just arrived today. And I guess kind of show you how I plant them and just give you a tour of the rest. So here are my cucumber plants. I've got some onion and garlic growing with them. As you can see, they've gotten a lot larger since the last video. And then here is my squash, which is growing really slowly. If you guys have any tips or tricks for me on how to help that grow quicker, let me know. And then a bunch of garlic and onion. Next bed is the jalapenos. They're doing pretty well. I've also got some cilantro and basil planted there. And then over here is my kind of worrisome. It looks good, but the potato leaves are falling over and starting to kind of die. I know I need to put some diatomaceous earth on them because they're getting aphids, but and I've seen little potatoes pop up, but I've also read that you're not supposed to eat the potatoes that come to the surface, and I don't know why that is either. So if you guys know why, let me know in the comments below. I've got some pansies and lavenders and marigolds to attract the bees. And here we have a large assortment of spinach, romaine, mixed lettuces, and then the kind of sparse green that's coming up are carrots. In this bed I have broccoli, which seems to be doing very well. And let me just turn this around. Here are my bell pepper plants, and again onion and garlic with them. They are a little slow to start, but I did plant them pretty early in the season, so we'll see what happens with those. And then over here, I have, in the pot is sunflowers, as you can probably read by the sign. And then the rest of it is tomato plants. I've got some sunflowers over here by the outside part of the closure and on the other side as well. They've already produced some tomatoes and they're looking pretty good. I've seen lots of bees in here, so that's good. And then over here, the asparagus. So it's next to the cucumber, and I've never grown it before, so we'll see what happens with that. But that is the garden portion. Now I'm going to show you guys my fruit trees. I have two loquat trees on the property. You can only see one in the focus, but there's another one over here. They are absolutely delicious. Some people take the skin off. You don't need to. I mean, I don't even wash them. Probably should, but Alright, let me show you the little banana tree plant that I planted, and I'll show you how to plant the other one. I also got a brown turkey fig, or two maybe, and a pineapple plant. So let's go over to the other side of the yard. So here in front of the chicken coop, I have put one banana tree here. They're Goldfingers, which apparently came out, I believe it's a crossbred, came out in '94, I believe from Honduras. So I'm gonna go, I've already dug the hole. In Florida, it's very sandy, so I took some of the sand out. I put some compost in the bottom, and then I'm just going to add the plant. And when you pull it out of the bag, if you order them online, you want to make sure to kind of unwrap very gently the root system. So you can see here the roots are already formed. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in here, and then I'll cover it up with some compost, some sand, because banana plants or trees actually do well in somewhat sandy soil because because it drains really well, and they need a lot of water, but they can easily get root rot if you don't have well-drained soil. So let me show you my pineapple plant and my fig trees. Alright, this is my pineapple plant, and I have soaked it in water to kind of release some of the roots because it is much smaller than the other plants. I'll probably leave it in there for a couple days, and then I'll go ahead and find a spot in the yard to plant it. You definitely want to plant that one more shallow than you plant most of your trees. Then here I have brown turkey figs, and I've just put some water in there temporarily because I haven't decided where in the yard I want to put them. I know they need full sun, so it may be next to my vegetable enclosure. We'll see. But these can actually be planted fairly deep. Just don't cover any of the leaves. And then I forgot to show you guys my apple tree, which is over by my banana tree. You may have seen it in that clip. It hasn't really produced any leaves yet this year. I probably need to water it. But the next video, I'm going to show you guys an update on how my chicken coop is going, and the chickens have grown immensely. And then in less than 2 weeks, I have 4 more coming, so I'm super excited. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Until next time, I'll see you later.